Keep trying. Cameron, I know it keeps falling. Just keep trying, okay? Do you want me to help you? Then bring one to me. Bring me one. I'll show you what to do, okay? Bring me a card, I'll show you what to do. Take the card and go like this. Now go try to put it on. Don't bend it too hard. No, now let it go. And turn it around. Now put it on. Other way. Put it on like you were doing. Other way. Come here, let me show you. Come here. Come here. Don't bend it. Just did it a little bit. And then stick it on like that. Like this. Okay, go see if it works now. Go like that and go put it like you were doing. On the line. Put it on the line like you were doing. On the line. Now put it on the line. Line them up like you were doing. Yeah, you did it good. Now go put it on there. See? Did it work? Good job. Say bye. Say bye. Say love you. See you later. Peace out, dude. Peace out, dude.